This workshop is going to be about the psychology of entrepreneurship. I'm going to share with you exciting research that my colleagues and I have conducted over the past several years about market entry into the tech entrepreneurship market right now, what industry you're going to select, and also the fundraising challenges you're going to be facing as you progress through your entrepreneurial journey. Unlike typical pitch coaching workshops, we're not just going to focus on your initial pitch, but also how to handle the question and answer period that happens afterwards. Your peers and I are going to troubleshoot how you handle hostile questions from potential investors. And I'm going to coach you how to get those questions back into the motivational state that fits the psychology of entrepreneurship and innovation.